Hi there creators, welcome back to VA Wonder. Today I'm showing you exactly how to upload a YouTube short via your computer and via your phone, even if you've never done it before. If you enjoy Canva tutorials, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Have the following ready and saved to a file on your computer. Your YouTube short video. The size for this would be a 9 by 16 aspect ratio, so 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. And if you are designing your short on Canva, you can just search for YouTube short and they will have it set up for you already. Then you will need your YouTube short title, your description and tags, and also the video link or name for your related video, which is optional. Log into YouTube, go to your profile icon, and go to YouTube Studio. Go to Create, Upload Video, and then select Files to upload your video. YouTube will automatically know that this is a short due to the video being vertical. The maximum length used to be 60 seconds long, but this was changed from 60 seconds to 3 minutes as of October 15, 2024. Now, any vertical or square video up to 180 seconds uploaded after that date will be categorized as a short. Add your title, a maximum of 100 characters, and if you still have space, add an applicable hashtag. Add your description and some tags for good SEO. Add your short to a playlist or create a playlist if you don't have one. Check the rest of your settings and click Next. If you want to add a related video, you can click onto Edit and then choose one of your related videos to link to the short. If you want to add subtitles, you can do that next. You can either upload a file, copy and paste it into AutoSync, or type it in manually. I prefer the AutoSync, it's just much faster. Click on Next. Now you can choose the visibility. So you can choose private, unlisted, or public. And if you choose public, you can also schedule your short. Click on Schedule. Here you can copy the link of your short to your clipboard and close. Let me show you where you can find your short in your YouTube Studio. And if you hover over the video, you will get some options to edit it, check your analytics and comments, and so forth. To upload YouTube videos and shorts via your phone, first download and install the YouTube Studio app. Have the following ready on your phone: your YouTube short video, your YouTube short title, and if you would like to link a video at the end of your short, then the video link or the name for that related video. The only downside of using the YouTube Studio app is that you can't add your description and tags via the app, but you can later amend it on your desktop. Open the YouTube Studio app on your phone and click on the plus sign. Select your video from your media. Paste or type in your title. You can add a hashtag if you want to. Set your visibility. I will choose public and choose a specific date. Add your related video. Check the rest of your settings and then click on Upload Short. If you would like to view or edit your short, you can go to Content, choose Type, then choose Shorts. Click on the specific video. Then you can click on the edit pen and then you can make the necessary changes. And that's it. You just uploaded your first YouTube short. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials and comment below what shorts you'll upload next. Check out this video next if you would like to make a custom YouTube banner. Free template included. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.